In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a QR code for an image. We're going to walk through a simple, beginner-friendly way to turn any image into a QR code that people can scan with their phones. By the end, you'll have a shareable QR code that instantly opens your image, perfect for posters, presentations, or print materials. First, make sure you have the image you want to use ready on your device. This could be a logo, a flyer, a photo, or any graphic you'd like others to access quickly. It helps if the image has a clear file name and is easy to find on your computer or phone, because you'll need to upload it in a moment. The basic idea is that a QR code doesn't actually store the entire image inside it. Instead, it usually stores a link or URL that points to where your image is hosted. So our main job is to get your image online in a stable place, then create a QR code that links to that image. Start by uploading your image to a reliable hosting location. This could be a cloud storage service or an image hosting site that gives you a direct link. After you upload, copy the shareable link for that image. Make sure the sharing settings allow anyone with the link to view it. Otherwise, your QR code might work only for you and not for other people. Next, open a trusted QR code generator in your browser. There are many free ones available, and most of them work in a similar way. Look for an option that lets you create a QR code from a URL or website link. In the field provided, paste the image link you copied earlier. Double-check that there are no extra spaces before or after the link. Once you've pasted the link, confirm or click the button to generate your QR code. The site will create a black and white QR pattern based on your image link. At this point, you should see a preview of the QR code on the screen. Now, download the QR code image to your device. Choose a high-resolution option if it's available, especially if you plan to print it on posters or large materials. Save it somewhere you can easily find later, such as your desktop or a dedicated folder. Before you use it publicly, test your QR code. Open your phone's camera or a QR scanning app, point it at the code on your screen, and make sure it opens your image correctly. If it does, you're all set. You've successfully created a QR code for your image.